So I got tired, seeing people make money online while I struggled. I struggled. So if you are watching me right now and you are struggling as well to make money online, then I want you to give me just 5 minutes of your time. Even before I start, telling you about these, I want you to see, look on your screen. Do you see these are the notification of my confirmations of my sales? I joined this academy barely 60 days. Like this is 2 months right now. At the end of this month, I'll be 2 months, and these are my sales. I think this month, these are the sales that I've made. I'm just showing you this month, okay, because this month is very consistent. So I'm showing you just this month, just to prove to you that what I'm about to tell you is going to give you a result. When I started, I knew nothing about digital marketing. Nobody taught me. You don't need to be a pro to start this. You don't need to have this skill to start this. All you have to do is to have the mindset to learn, have your mindset ready to learn and apply, and you start seeing the result. That was all. I needed to invest. I invested in it. I learned and I applied. Within the first week, I made 2 sales, and then after the first week, I started seeing daily, sales. So if you are interested to know how you can start making money, I want to introduce this method to you, because this method, you don't need a big follower, you don't need to have a technical skill, you don't need to play any or pay for any ads, you don't need to actually be a pro or know it before. You just have to learn, because they are teaching you everything. And now when you learn, you are going to apply. You can decide to resell the program, because when you invest into the program, they will give you the master resell to resell it to other people. Or they're also giving you a private label right, which means that they have also some products that we call the mini courses that you can just take. Maybe you sell it on Amazon, or you sell it on KDP, you sell it on Etsy, or you can also build your own online stores to sell. Right now I have a stand store in Gumroad that I'm marketing this product, that are mini products. You can also learn how to create your own done for you courses or digital products or ebooks to sell, planners. Everything is there. Some are already done for you. If you like, you can just pick it up and start selling something that you have not made, especially if you are stay-at-home mom who is looking for something to do from home and to make money from your phone. If you are a stay-at-home father, if you are somebody who need an extra income, a side hustle, who does not want to think about inventory, who does not want to think about or how to fulfill, all this and all that, or you are doing it all these things, but you still need some source of extra income, then join this, this method that I found. I am going to leave the link in the description box, and it is 2 different courses. One is for people who just want to read. That is for the RBA. The RBA is called the Royal Business Academy. That one, we don't have much videos there, but the DBA has all its videos. Like they have much videos, and 90% of the course is videos, is visuals. So that means that if you are type that love to see and act, then you go for the DBA. But you are the type that likes quiet time to read and learn and apply, then you go for the RBA. I invested first in the RBA, and then later on I invested in the DBA. You don't have to take both at the same time, but it would be great to have both if you can afford that. You will see faster results, meaning that if you do not sell from this, you can sell from the other. That's what is bringing me the daily income right now. But better still, I started with one which still was bringing me the sales. So right now I am making sales on a daily basis. If you finally join any of this academy, because I am already in it, I am going to mentor you, and I'm going to make sure that I lead you to choose the right program that will benefit you, or that you can make money from it. When you get into the academy, you will realize that there are so many ways that you can make money. You will not go and look for extra job again. You will not go and apply for any other jobs again, because you are going to create wealth based on your strength and for you, and not for anybody. You are not going to be building anybody's company. You are going to be establishing yourself, and you will see financial freedom. If you also join the academy as a whole, it also has a community. So if you have any question and you go into the academy and you ask, there are people ready to answer you. I can come and answer you. Somebody else can come and answer you. All you need is to get into the academy. That is the most important thing right now. All the other, the rest will be solved when you get into the academy. You know that I am not a gatekeeper. Anything that is working, I want you to know about it. I want you to also have knowledge about it and take advantage of it. So this is what I have for you. It is working for me, and I want you to jump on it. And let's do this. Let's change our histories. Let's help each other to see success in our lives. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, if you need the links, I am going to leave the links below or in the comment section. Just grab one of them, and when you are done, send me a message or come here and write, I am done. And I can even contact you personally, because I'll get your email and we can begin from there. I can add you to my community and we can start making money ASAP. Thank you very much. I'll see you. Bye-bye.